Okay, that one's a little messier than the other eye because my eye has started watering. Hi guys, so today, as you can tell, I have a different hair colour, and that is because we are doing a Ariana Grande, Regina George Thank You Next makeup look from her music video. I've got the sniffles. So the makeup version that I did, because she does 3 different versions of the Regina makeup. They all have the same eye makeup, but the lips are different. I chose the one where she was writing in the burn book, where her lipstick was more natural, whereas when she's walking down the hall, she has pink lip gloss on, and when she's doing the Christmas scene, she has red. So just switch them out for whichever look you want, and yeah, I really like how this one came out, and I hope you guys enjoy watching this tutorial. So let's get on with it. Okay, so firstly I'm going to prime my skin, and to do that I'm going to use the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I've not used this in a while, so... Oh, that's a lot. I'll just take that bit and smooth it around the face. My hair is a mess, but we will look past that. So now that we've primed, I'm going to nearly drop those. I'm going to colour correct, and to do this I'm going to use the Revolution Conceal and Correct concealer in green and the Naked Skin Urban Decay concealer in pink. This one's going on the eyes, and this one's going on any red spots. So now I'm going to blend the green out. So usually I'd apply contour and like concealer and then foundation, but for this look her concealer is really light underneath and my foundation is quite full coverage, and I don't want it to cover the lightness because she has noticeably light parts on her face. So I think I'm going to do foundation first and hope the rest sort of looks okay. This is the Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 150. I know it might not match my skin right now, but with quarantine I've not really been able to get anywhere to buy a colour matched foundation. This was from when I'd fake tanned and been on holiday, so it is obviously quite dark. It does match when I have a tan, but yeah. So I'm going to just apply this to the back of my hand. Okay, so next is concealer, and I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer with super coverage in the shade Marshmallow, and I'm going to apply this in triangles under my eyes, my chin, and my forehead and nose area where she appears lightest in the picture. I don't actually know if this is going to be light enough. Now I look beautiful. So fetch. I'm just going to blend it out with a beauty blender. Oh wow, we have a very white chin now. I'll come get it in a minute! have a parcel. Does anyone else hate that my hand gets covered in foundation as I am blending? I'm now going to use the Huda Beauty, what's it called? Powder in Sugar Cookie, and I'm going to put it under my eyes. While it sets in place, I'm going to do my eyebrows. So to do that, I'm going to use what I always use, which is the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. This is the shade 4. This brow already has a very similar shape to Ari's anyway. So I'm just going to sort of move that. Sorry if you hear any background noises. Then we're going to brush them through with the brush on the other end. I need to put this in, but I feel like if I leave the powder any longer, am I going to look ridiculous? Probably, but it's fine. We need to do the brows. I always remove the excess off because otherwise I find I get big lumps in my eyebrows, and lumpy eyebrows are not fun. This is the Benefit Gimme Brow in the shade 5. No, it's not. Shade 4, not 5. And that's exactly why I wipe it off. Somebody's coming. That is the brows done. Now we're going to buff the powder off. This is a very large powder brush. I'm just going to use it to swirl the powder around most of the face. That's if it'll come off. My contour is cream. No, we're gonna go get a powder because I want this makeup to look nice. This is the reason I was using the Tantor, was for it to be dark. I've chosen the darkest bronzer I own, which is this Revolution Duo Face Sculpt. It looks really orange on camera, but it's not. I'm just gonna take this side, and I guess we're not contouring anymore since I sort of ruined that. And I'll just sort of bronze / contour a little bit. Woo! Oh, that's fantastic. She has quite a lot of blush and it goes right up like here. So I'm going to take this blush palette by Revolution and I'm going to take this shade here and apply it all over. I broke the palette. So I've done this eye, I'm going to do this eye. The same, and I'll show you how I did it. So I used the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions palette, and I just used this bottom shade here, which is like an orangey kind of shade. Was such a bad description. I took this on a small blending brush and ran it through like the crease area and just a little bit higher, so I did it like here. And blended it up. The key of this is to just keep blending. And like this angled fluffier brush. I'm going to take the brown shade, but just a teeny tiny bit, and like sort of blend it into like the outer line kind of thing. And just sort of push it in a bit. And now I'm going to add the glittery shimmer she has on. So I'm going to take this shade right next to the other two we've used. And I'm just going to take a little bit and pat it and sort of swipe it across. I'm just going to make sure it's all blended. Like that for the eyeshadow part. I'm going to take a concealer and sort of make it more straight edged, so that I can map my eyeliner along that edge. So I just take the concealer I used earlier. Oops, stand it up and hope it can follow that. And I just carefully sort of draw a line by patting, so that it's nice and straight, up to sort of where the eyebrow line is. I'll take my beauty blender and just gently dab down as I do it. And out with up, kind of like that. I move my eye wall a little bit doing that. I'm going to start by taking a liquid liner just because I find it easier to control and map out the liner. This is the, the Too Faced sketch marker in You're So Too Faced. I prefer this one to the Better Than Sex mascara. I love the Better Than Sex. I'm going to stop talking. I prefer this. I like this one. I'm just going to drag it in. I'm trying to make sure it has a point. And then I'll just fill it in with eyeliner. I make eyeliner with gel liner, but I make sure with the gel liner I don't go further than the halfway point of the eye, and then I'll fill in the rest with eyeliner. I'm going to use the Maybelline Lasting Drama gel liner in the shade Black, and this Benefit angled brush, and I'm just going to get quite a bit of product on. I'll wipe off the sides because I don't want it too chunky, and then I will sort of fill in the gap. This might very well not be even to the other one. Right, and then I'm going to take a little bit of the product, and you can't really see it this much on the side, like sort of what's left if I scrape the edges down kind of thing, and just sort of like mess up the inside really ever so slightly. Just so that it doesn't look so perfect on the inside and gives more of a smoky effect. So I'm going to take the liner that we used before back, and I'm just going to line into the inner corner as like a cat eye kind of thing. And then I'm going to take a pencil liner and line my lower lash line. This is the Clinique one. I got this free, so I'm going to use it, but any pencil liner will do. Okay, that one's a little messier than the other eye because my eye has started watering. But we move on. We shall move on from this. Now we're going to do lashes. I'm going to apply this L'Oreal Paris Waterproof False Lash X Fiber Extreme Resist. I'm going to call it an eyeliner, mascara. I'm only going to use the number one side because I am applying falsies. I know. Shock. When does I ever do that? So I'm just going to curl my lashes first if the curler don't get stuck to my fingers. And hope it doesn't pull my eyeliner off. We'll see. The lashes I'm going to apply are the LMX by Little Mix Off Duty Lash in Natural Beauty. This is what the lash looks like. Using Kiss Lash Glue. It's my favourite lash glue. It's the only one I find that holds my lashes on. Let it get a little bit tacky. Ooh, ooh. Swing your ponytail. Do a bit of Ariana. Thank you. Next. And then apply it, starting at the outer corner. That's the other eyelashes on. Beautiful. Okay, so for highlight, I'm going to use the Ofra highlighter in Pillow Talk. And I'm just going to apply this on, like, here. Because we all know Ariana has a really nice glow. And she definitely has it on her nose. My reference picture I'm going off. So I'm going to take this Ted Baker lipstick, and it's like this nudish pink colour. I don't know if you can see that. I'm just going to apply it all over my lips. I'm going to slightly overdo my Cupid's bow, just like. And then to top that off, I'm going to take. Should I take that? Oh yes. I don't know. If I can open this one. Okay, so I can't open that one. So we're going to use the Too Faced Sweet Peach Creamy Peach Oil Lip Gloss over the top. So now I'm going to put on the wig. And this is my finished Ariana Grande Thank You Next Regina George look. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to comment down below any kind of comment you like. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Bye.